Yo, go on. Me a big up all of the viewers, them, you see it. And big up all who subscribe and all who not subscribe yet, you see it. Yeah, man, that lady face with up on the screen, man. She said she get a message for Queenie, man. But yo, the message where she get for Queenie, yo, and not nothing good, you see it. It be a destruction, all kind of things. She has to reach Queenie. So, yo, Queenie break down in tears. I talk about do it to you, see it. I say, yo, be a fake page she make. For reach out to Dewey and Dewey no stop block her, you see it. So we just forward and just hear Mama Queenie I say, yeah man, for you don't know.
So you take me out to our next levels now, me I gotta take you back out to our next levels. I mean I know how people hate people and don't like people and still sit down. Me used to people on my husband page. I make one fake page, my contacting pan him. I'm not interested in me, I'm still have the fake page of people and the man block me. I call London, I say London, make up me too real for my own good in the riot crazes. I have to just be who me is. Mr. London, make a page for me again, cause more people are my husband. She said, really, mom? I said, girl, make the page, give me, I don't have no argument with me. Make sure I'll tell her for me appear 20 pounds for she make the page. Second page that, my peep. Every time I go over there and peep, my heart leap. I'm nervous. But still people and pray to God because it was a process, innit? No. I go through all of them little patches. The man find out and him block me again. Remember, you know, me not do fake page, you know. A man watching me, I do fake page, you know. So me I said 2 times now, shame I take me again. Shame me, Queenie, Lord God, me shame again. I go ask London. I explain to London that before I come to Jamaica for sting now. I say, Landy, you know, say, the man blocked me 2 times again. I don't know how him know, say, I'm a page. She said, he doesn't know it's you. He just see that it's a fake page because you don't have any whatever. I say, all right, make try my lucky number, right, crazy. Make one more for me. You see, by the time he make it and reach at Jamaica the 22nd of December, and my sister, the man block me again, me no go back, me no make no more. Me just hold my composure. Because you see one thing with me, I am a trained block done, I done. So me just a telling her, say, you see me right crazy, me no trouble when I trouble me. Me sister, you point out and do every face of life for delete me and forget rid of me no matter how much try. 3 pages that you know, me don't make no more. Say so I trouble it. And if me something is mine, may I try shine it to every angles me can shine it. Horizontal. Any can shine it, may I shine it. You see the moment me see that fuzz up. I'm find back this again and it fuzz up. So me no want nobody tell me nothing, lady. You know, embarrassing it was to go to my daughter and tell her, say, me 3 times for watch my despise me and hate me. But that's my journey. And that's my emotion patch. I had was to go through all of that. You see now, I pass all of that, lady. I feel so peaceful and good and there. I build a future for me and my kids them. When me they get distracted in their life, this is the time now. Me say me I take a patch for give my kids them even 3 blood man. Leave the whole of my investment and my time is into my kids right now. You know, my daughter said to me, say, Mommy, you don't know well. Me have to tell London, say my proud of me, London charge and say, Mommy is a strong woman and no matter what she go through, you know, me just loving with my pitney them. No matter if I cuss them, or them tell me off, me just a nice mother. And my kids love me and appreciate me, not for material things. If we're hungry to be together, me don't want nobody send me no message, come up in them proud of me. And them go through a lot with me. And them so long and take the embarrassment when enough of them phone them and tell them, oh, no should I shame her, no mama should do this, no grandmother should do this. Sorry. Even if I tell in the morning, them natural something there. Me no go out. Me there Jamaica, me not go nowhere. Me just do what I have to do at daytime. Down here learn a different phase of life. You know, and it's so nice. I sleep and get my rest on night time. I wake up every morning 5, 4 o'clock. I don't want no woman come burden me down, lady. It's rude. Lady, I am a queen. I am a mom. I am a lady. I'm a gangster. I'm a wife. I am everything, lady. Don't come dictate to me. I don't need nobody for dictate to me. I'm a grown ass woman. If them tell a morning, if them say nice event. Me a grown ass woman. I appreciate life for what life bring to me. So don't make me think none had a life. Me not go do good in a life, girl. Don't do it. It's rude. It's so nice and nice. Tell me such a proud of me and shall land and chat me. I say, well done, mommy. I say, mommy, I go through so much. I still laugh. I ain't bring a burden to nobody. Leave me alone, lady. You understand me? When me I go through my problem, no. If I want my left, me not tell you to scratch me. Leave me, lady. Leave me. I'm doing fine, lady. Send some message and say, Queenie, you're strong. And you got through a lot and you overcome it. So you come tell me about my need God. So who you think make me overcome all of them there and make my face come back? It burn me now. It so burn me. Come here and say, look at that something. I'm traumatized about my face, you know. Queenie, don't cry. The way my partner, I never know my face and I come back. Dirty over, leave me alone. You want to come fret me like you want me to tell me, say, me are the worst. Me say, yeah, that over, leave me. Let's have to tell them, say, even, my Bex. Leave my man, the ear just start and me go and good. At the church, I want the man do your event.
I'm going to say them now go play. 4 roses. Can I get 4 roses?
I not take them something from them church people. Them. I not do it rude.
I'm going to give 2 roses, 1 rose. Can I get 4 roses, please? Thank you, okay.
If them not here, you come tell
3
them.
more. Can I get 3? Catch a speed. Montague,
Catch your
thank you.
speed,
Can I
Maka. Catch your speed.
1 more.
My cute and a pink, thank you. You know, some people can break your confidence if you're not strong in yourself and know how to counteract them. Well, at that, I don't know now about my confidence. I'm doing fine, I'm doing well. Pick the morning. And if nobody not proud of me about anything else, I'm proud of me about my face. You understand me? That is very important to me, my identity. And when I see the face denting, I have the big tough lump. Big up Gloria, renewal and skull. Hey, me don't want nobody tell me nothing, you know. I will rude to this Christian woman will send me a message. I will diss her, you know. Lady, you hear me and make sure, make your cousin, your niece, your sister-in-law, your cousin-in-law, your brother-in-law, anybody that on my internet tell us, leave me alone, lady. Loud. You see that tough piece of face, something here in my face? In September, one big tough something in it. Every time I touch him, I traumatized. I want ball and gun on the man. And now I go. At the renewal and skull place, if no man a joke, just look at something. My ear tap popping on my ears. Cloop. Cloop. Every time she push a nigga, I say, Glory, I'm afraid. I'm not even afraid, I'm afraid. Me just traumatized over the and through me, I hear the something I pop. And she said, Queen, I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm just going to finish today and then come back. I'm going to go back. Yes. What's a week after? And she do about the same little needle something. I'm a lie down because I'm afraid of needling. I'm a lie down there. I said, the Lord is my light and my salvation. Father God, give me strength. Come on, my face come back, Father God. So make my beard is something them. But what are the ears? So that kind of freaked me out. And I got me lie down there and talk to her. I know me see my face come back beautiful now. And up in my elements, up in my prime and feel good. This woman I come talk about message. Do not, lady, true. Do not send me any message, darling. It's disturbing. Do not disturb me, baby. Me reach a patch. RT boss say. That's why I love RT Boss. And RT Boss, big up your damn self. I'm glad you're coming in my life, and that's true. RT Boss upon the life, and I'm going with him. So I'm saying, RT Boss, I love spicing, and no matter what. Don't do them something that I feel bad. And him just say, all right, Queen. I say, RT, I not knock what you do at your ego. I'm a respect you for what you do. But me as a person, him not provoke me. You understand me? Him say, why Queen not really like it or whatever. I mean, me not make no big deal. Loud pastor, do you? Tell them.
No, I go to New York. So I go to New York, and my cousin says she got church. I'm going to come to church with her. So me and her and Pitney them go to church, and we in the church sit down. Sit down in the church, and see the man up on pulpit, and him a preach, and him a go on, you know. And it, like, you know, like you feel somebody I look for you, and I sit down there. When I look, I see the man come off a pulpit, run past me. So I say to myself, say, what this now? Run, come back, stop. I hold on for my head. And if it, stop it. Some sit where the man attack. I say, Pastor boy, how we are ramp with? I say, no, I'm going to run them, do it, and ramp with me now. In our church, and everybody in our church, get up and just walk out of church, and the whole church come out there. And I say, I'm out of for true. Him not a cuss and go on, but I say, we are ramp with you. No.
If it's always talk about
ramp with me. You have to talk about some things, like you know, some things about me, I know me I clean good, man.
Sorry, then it can't take back. And I said, son, I'm going to be famous, so you're going to see one different mommy. And him said, Mommy, now I'm not for do it famous. I said, well, just kill me, Mama. And just hang up the phone, left them, and pour them. Go ahead, dirty woman. And leave me and my family alone. Fuck. My pitney them stand by me. It them name by stand by me. If I wet up myself would by me. If I take nose not and wear for them stand by me. Move for no dirty, no disown me and define me. My pitney them say, quiet and leave me the so I'm two little grandbaby them. Every minute my son I write about and if them don't remember yeah grandbaby them adore them all cantankerous bad grandmother, them love me. Go you know, really, I used to love, really, I used to say, grandmother either, and them appreciate me. Yes, let me say, yes, let me see him. Grandma, I told you already that I miss you and tell her that I want to come to Jamaica and I want to sleep in BJ's bed. Oh, no, man, my grandparents, them nice. Them don't business with the country. Who remember when? A little girl messaged me and said me to sing happy birthday for little girl at 18 I'm going to sing. So you beat me off, you know. I go to everything we take for laugh, you know. So I say, what a liberty after me give little girl one free ads for my promote platform and this them and this way. Why am I tell them I go through some blood? I just my spirit of my having a rare crazy. Just laugh, cuss, tear.
I mean, crazy I did something for Babsy Grange.
We are the
Babsy Grange, say your pussy clean, say your pussy fat, say.
No, you're even no crazy. At the minister and Mr. Such I'm sing happy birthday sent to the woman. Not that I'm a black my brand. Mr. Crazy. What's your name? Where title is the honorable Babsy Grange? Mr. Even she don't have a is that me I sing Mr. Blood. Them I know what it nice when them are talk about Andrew in the lockdown. I went there maybe at the liquor student. Hey, enough me go treat them man. Boy, I love Queenie. Queenie don't get nothing but her. Mr. Andrew son of a still lockdown. Right crazies. What them call it non-movements. I bear movements me make on their student to blood. Some soldiers and some police run out power, you know. And Mr. Officer, I do music because I'm frightened over my music them so I can't make the lockdown of me and tell it to blood. Hey, so me hear this woman at time, I say that woman a rudy lady. I am so proud of myself to what I've been through in life. I'm just cuss it off, laugh it out and get out with life. See, don't do it, lady, don't do it. Rude. Right now, the place I'm reaching in life, nobody can tell me nothing. Who am I complacent in life? Nobody can tell me nothing behind that. No found people see people and cast judgment on them and make them fret and that with me. I remember one time one woman said my friend and said to him, "Oh, you look so, you know look healthy. You this, you that. I mean, I tell you that thing hard, the man. I mean, I have to say, make the big ass it in him head, forget it out of him head where. Me no want no tell me nothing. True. You see me not do depressing things. Let me tell you something. You see somebody there on them page attack something bad about me. Let me tell you the difference on the don't understand about me. I don't watch. I don't browse from people and listen. Because if I listen and hear them and say something about me, I go answer. It's the truth. I go answer. You see if I don't hear and if I tell me, I don't care. But you see if I hear, you see if me and somebody don't agree, I not go over them page and write crazies. I not go listen. I not provoke my own self. That's me. So I'm a peaceful woman, you know. But I'm cantankerous.